Mark, I wanted to ask you a little bit about SOLIDWORKS CAM and specifically what that path looks like into CAMWorks. So first off, SOLIDWORKS CAM, that's in every single seat of SOLIDWORKS, correct?
Correct. Yep.
Who's going to benefit the most from looking at SOLIDWORKS CAM? Like, who should be trying to start using SOLIDWORKS CAM?
So SolidWorks CAM is used for CNC programming. It's fully integrated into the SolidWorks seats, as you mentioned. The SolidWorks CAM standard is primarily for 2.5 axis milling. And so those customers would be those with a 3-axis CNC milling machine. For users that need more advanced capabilities, they would need the SolidWorks CAM Pro, which adds the ability to do SolidWorks assembly machining, where they can then have their fixtures and tools and other features in the assembly, along with the parts that they want to program. It also supports 2.5 axis volume milling, high-speed milling, and 2-axis lathe programming for standard turning operations. But one of the most important thing it adds is 3+2 machining. So if you have a 4th axis indexer or a 5-axis machine and you do indexing or 3+2 machining, then SolidWorks CAM Pro would allow you to be able to program those machines as well. As you start doing 4-axis and 5-axis simultaneous machining, maybe mill turn, full mill turn machining, then you would want to be looking at the CAMWorks line of products. And that's what would take you up into those higher levels.
If you need to go from SOLIDWORKS CAM to CAMWorks, that's a very seamless transition, is it not?
Correct. All of the data is fully compatible with SolidWorks CAM as well.
Awesome. Well, Mark, thank you so much.